Hey guys, it's Ray. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. So happy to have you here. Please don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave and hit the notification bell so you get notifications for all future videos from me. Today's video is going to be about the new Laura Lee Los Angeles Nudie Patootie palette, which I'm very excited about because for those of you who don't know me, I'm from Alabama, and Laura Lee is also from Alabama. If you haven't heard of her or seen her YouTube channel, I'm gonna link it down below because you need to follow her. She's amazing. So this is what we're gonna be talking about today. I love this packaging. I did not purchase her Cat's Pajamas palette. That was her very first thing to come out with her brand, and that came out in the fall, I believe, but I did not purchase that just because I couldn't financially, and I had all those colors that she had in that palette in my Jaclyn Hill palette. So I did choose to get the Jaclyn Hill palette first, and then I realized it's got a lot of the same colors, so I just couldn't swing it, but I did get this palette for Mother's Day, actually, so I'm very excited about that. I have the best husband ever. Also, while I'm on the subject of thanking people, I want to thank my dad. He's probably watching. He says he watches all my videos. Thanks, Dad. And he built this setup for me in his basement. I bought like the fabric and stuff, and it's still not very high quality, but I'm trying. It'll get there one day. I'm trying. So thanks, Dad, for setting this up for me. He had to move it a couple times, so sorry. Anyways, let's get into this video. I'm gonna open this up. This is what the outside of the palette looks like, and it's so gorgeous. It's called the Nudie Patootie palette. I feel like that's a southern thing. Like people call, you know, little kids like, what a cutie patootie, you know? So when we open it up, we see all these beautiful colors. It's got a nice huge mirror, or long mirror. It comes with 14 shades and it retails for $45, which I think is a great deal. I think that's the same as the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think those are $42 actually, like the Modern Renaissance and the Soft Glam and all those. I have all four of them. But these pans are bigger than those actually. So for $3 more, you're getting a lot more eyeshadow, it looks like. I haven't swatched any of them. I haven't touched them. I don't want to. It's so pretty. I'm not gonna do swatches. My lighting is still not the best yet, and I don't think the swatches will do it justice. I'm not a big fan of swatches. I like to see how they perform on the eyes. So if you do want a swatch video, I will link Laura Lee's video of the unveiling of this palette down below so that you can see all those swatches if you'd like. Okay, so let's get into the eyeshadow tutorial. I don't really know what kind of look I'm gonna do today. I'm going on a date with my husband tonight. It's been a while. We have a little boy, so it's been a minute. So I think I'm gonna do like a smoky eye. So I already primed my eyes. I used my Tarte Shape Tape and just a concealer brush and just patted it on. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here called Undressed first. It's just a light matte shade. And just put that in my crease. I did not set my eyes after I primed them. I find that the pigment comes out way better when I don't do that step. I think I've said that in a video before, but still in the way I'm doing it, so, and it's still working. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with this pinky color called Streaking right here, this like light pink, and just work that into the crease as well. I'm gonna use the mirror that it came with. I'm in the basement, as you can see. Ooh, that's pretty. Those colors work really well together. Okay, so these are the eyes so far. Everybody has something that's like different on either side of their face, and mine is, this eye is a little more rounded right here than this eye. It's a little more just... I'm gonna take this color right here called Bear, tap into it. Ooh, it's a nice pinky color. And just sit it right there in the, on the outer corner and the crease. Ooh, that's really pretty. Can y'all see that? That's really nice. I can't decide how deep I'm gonna go with this look. So I'm gonna go into butt naked right here and just see how it goes. And I'm taking that on a R39 brush from Morphe. That's so pretty. Okay, so I am gonna go one shade darker, and I'm gonna take Nakey right here. It's the biggest, the biggest. Nakey right here, it's the deepest shade in the palette. Okay, so I'm gonna take my M433 brush that we used with Bear. What did we use this with? Yeah, with Bear. And I'm just gonna tap into that and blend it out. Okay, so before I move on to my lid for this eyeshadow tutorial, I am going to tell you about a giveaway that I'm doing. I don't have in my hand what I'm going to be giving away because it hasn't even come out yet. It says the launch is the end of May. It's the rest of Laura Lee's Nudie Patootie launch. This is the Nudie Patootie palette, but she has matte liquid lipsticks coming out, and they're nude, so I'm obsessed already and I don't even have them. I'm going to get them. There are 3 shades, Jaybird, Topless, and Nakey. Those are all names that are in this palette as well, but she also gave those names to her liquid lipsticks. So I'm gonna give one of those away to you guys. So to enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and leave me a comment down below with your Instagram handle so I can check and make sure that you are indeed following me on Instagram, and so I have a way to contact you. I'll probably just order it from her website and have it shipped directly to you. So make sure you are subscribed down below and hit the notification bell, and make sure you follow me on Instagram and leave me a comment with your Instagram handle down below. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut my crease, and if you've watched my other Instagram videos, then you know that I like to use a lip brush to do that, and that is the M170-2 from Morphe. Just gonna put a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape on my hand. It doesn't take a whole lot, because if you know what Tarte Shape Tape is, you know it's thick and it goes a long way. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is take my M433 brush that I used with this color right here called Bear, and I'm just going to blend out those harsh lines where the concealer is. I'm not gonna set the concealer. I'm just gonna dab right there to blend. And I'll go back over that brown shade as well. Okay, so now that I've got that nice and blended out, I am going to take my Bare Minerals tapered eyeshadow brush. It's a good packing brush. And I'm gonna take, I can't decide. I wanna use both. So I'm gonna take Jaybird and just pat my brush into it. And just tap. I'm gonna spray some Fix Plus onto it. And just dab that right here. I need a mirror. Ooh, that's pretty. Get a little bit more on the brush. My brush is still wet, so I'm not gonna wet it again. That's gorgeous. I love that. Brush is getting a little dry, so I'm gonna wet it again before I do the other eye. Go into All Natural, which is the gold foil. And spray that brush. And I'm gonna go in the inner corner. Or not inner corner, like inner lid. And blend it into the copper shade. Ooh, that's pretty. Gorgeous. Very impressed with these eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna take my M433 with the bear on it. The shade Bear. And just tap on the edge of that. Gorgeous. My lighting does not do these eyeshadows justice. Let me just tell you right now. It doesn't. One day it will, but not today. Oh, I'm gonna get super close so you can see how pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of the face and I'll be right back to do the lower lash line. Okay, so I've got my foundation and bronzer and everything on. I'm gonna do my lower lash line. I don't think I'm gonna do a wing. I've got some friends here with me right now. I'm filming the rest of my video. Do you guys think I should do a wing? I don't think I need to. I think it's like a smoky, like, yeah, I was gonna say that. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep it nice and smoky and not do my precise cut you wing that I like to do. Your Rachel wing? Yes. So I'm gonna take my M508 brush from Morphe and I'm gonna go into this color Streaking right here in the middle and add that to my lower lash line. I'm kind of connecting it right there so it's nice and smoky since I'm not doing a wing. Okay, so next I'm going to take the exact same brush and dip into Bare, that pinky shade that I love so much. I'm going to take this M432 flat liner brush and go into Butt Naked. And do it really tight under my waterline. I'm just going to take it to the middle. I'm not going to take it all the way in. And I'm going to take the same brush and go into Nakey Nakey just a little bit. That was the darkest shade we used right there. And just tap it on this corner. And then to buff that out, I'm going to take my E18 brush and just, there's no product on it, I'm just going to smoke that and blend that out. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to do as far as eyeshadow goes is take this E36 really tiny brush and do some highlighting. So I'm going to take the lightest shade, Stark, and put that on my inner corner. Ooh, that's really pretty. That's gorgeous. And I'll put a little bit of what's left on under my brow bone. And then I'll do my eyebrows. Okay guys, I finished the rest of my face. I did put some bronze eyeliner on the waterline of my eyes just to bring out that bronze color on top just a little bit. It is a little bit darker, but I still think it looks pretty good. I'm obsessed with this eyeshadow palette. I didn't have to use any other palette for any part of my eye. Excuse me. Because it's got a highlight shade. It's got literally everything you need to do a neutral eye. You don't have to do it as smoky as I did. You can do a very natural eye just with this palette. I think it's a great deal. It's $45 for 14 shades, and the pans are bigger than, say, the ABH eyeshadow palettes. So I highly recommend this palette if you are looking for a neutral eyeshadow palette or a palette that you just want to take one to go. You can just use this one for everything on your eye. Make sure you subscribe before you leave and hit the notification bell, and then you can also follow me on all of my other social media, which will be at the very end for you, so you can go find me. And leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. And if you want to check out Laura Lee's channel, I will link that down below. Thanks for watching today, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.